Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Calumet-Park, local and long-distance movers near me. We need a long-distance moving company. We provide the right services for your needs, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. We give you the right moving services for your long-distance move. Our team will help you get the best out of your move, no matter how far you need to go. Whether it's one state over or across the country, we're ready to help you. It may not seem like hiring an Illinois moving company is necessary. The cost might seem like too much for a short-distance move. While your move might not take you 100 miles or further away, it still requires a ton of work. Moving means packing, loading, unloading, and unpacking no matter the distance. When you choose 3 Movers, you'll gain benefits that will make it worth the cost. We save you a ton of time and energy when it comes to moving day. Our team will provide you with the help you need. A move that will take you all weekend only takes us a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Calumet-Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.